Okay, so um, first of all, good job sa first presentation reporting natin na it's good na meron na tayong napakitang meron tayong na-deploy na natin siya in Vercel, and then we already have a good and clean UI, and then it's already connected with the backend. So for Friday, I just wanted, ito lang yung so for the back end wala na tayong problema doon because email verification is already working, and no worry about the social media authentication. So, we can do it sa later part of the development. So we just have to ensure that the email verification process is working, and also the SMS verification is working. So for now, we just have to put some UI for the email verification. So for example here, um, sign in. Okay, so sign in tayo dito. Okay, so this is already working. That's a good job. So this one, at least lagyan natin ng lagyan natin ng page. So I think the page here, balik ka lang doon sa home. Balik ka lang sa home dito. Yes, dito. No need to eto terramarch.versal.app dash home, no need. So what you have to do is terramarch.versal.app, and then papunta ka sa or pupunta ba dun sa profile page ba? Let's see if it will be going there in the profile page. So prototype, asan yung okay, so once login, saan ba siya pupunta? Let's play it. So once login, papunta siya sa so once login, pupunta siya back dito. So di siya pupunta sa profile page. So ang mag-change lang nito once login, etong navbar natin, it will be changed to avatar. And then don't forget the etong cart, and then the start selling. So this one is already clean. Oh, nga pala, for Ani, this is for Ani. Yung responsiveness natin. Yes, the responsiveness. So while we are developing, isabay na rin natin na magiging responsive siya. So this one, there's still a problem with the responsiveness of our design. So ito yung magandang gawi. So while we are developing, for example, itong hero section natin, yes, since we are using Tailwind, i-integrate na natin yung pagiging responsive niya. So for example, meron tayong di naman tayo gagamit ng media query dito, because we're using Tailwind. So yung yung large screen, and then medium screen, and then small screen. Yun di ba, sa component natin. Dapat nandiyan yung M dash, parang ganoon, di ba? For widescreen. Kung ano yung style na gagamitin. So as long as sabayan siya. So hindi tayo dapat magja-jump off from one component to another na hindi na fix yung responsiveness. So dapat, for example, ito ginawa natin yung hero section, dapat kasabay na rin yung pagiging responsive dito. So yun lang for our responsiveness. And then yes, for Friday, yun yung sign up natin, tsaka yung email verification, dapat naka-merge na siya yung email verification. Yun lang naman yung kailangan natin doon. Ito lang, ito Kita niyo ba? Okay, hindi siya nakikita. So, ito, sa, ayan. So, ito lang na, wait, saan to? Sa kabilang, this, yun. So, yung email, ito yung forgot password, tsaka itong verification. Yes. Modal lang naman siya. Modal lang siya. Lalabas yung modal. So, yun lang. It's very easy. Kaya mo na yan, Miss Annie. Kaya. This is just very easy. By Friday, I know you can do that by Friday. Yes. Yun. Ano pa ba? Yeah, this one. It's connecting to the, ayun. Wag mo muna yung mga animation. Pwede later part na yung mga animation natin. For example, ito pag ino-open mo. So, if meron kang question, Miss Anne, sa UI natin, just feel free to chat me, ha? Kung may kailangan ka, I am opening my line 24/7. So, go. Yes. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Yun lang naman ang kailangan natin by Friday. Responsiveness, sign up, yep, and then dapat once signed in na si user is ma-redirect siya or ano ba yun, call back dito sa homepage natin and then change na to user's avatar. Ito na. So ito, yan, dapat ito user's avatar na yung lalabas. No. Okay, so di pala siya babalik dito. Tama yung ginawa niyo pala. Tama yung ginawa. Okay. So dapat nagre-add diretso siya sa home. Ito, profile page. O ano bang tawag ito? Home page. I think this is we should call this one profile page kasi yung home page natin is yung ito. Ito yung home page natin. Okay. Yan. So, ito yung home page and that one should be etong dash home. Ito yung itong profile name natin. Kita ba? Yes. Ayan. Okay. So, that's it for now. And then, yeah, para di ka na mahirap. Kaya niyo na yan. Hindi na ako magsasuggest. You can do it. You can do it. I know it. So, that's it for now. Wala. And if you have, kung may mga question na, question lang. Okay, so by Friday, we will be meeting. Chat niyo ako kung anong time kayo available by Friday. Okay? Kung last time, di ba nag-meet tayo 9 p.m. So, we can do that. Chat nyo lang ako.